Hello, my name is Jalees and I am a student of Melbourne Institute of Technology, and my student ID is mit172712. Today I am going to present my assignment, which is based on Linux. So let's go for the table of contents. So in table of contents, I will first introduce what Linux is, and then I will discuss the accessing of tools, in which I am going to discuss two of them, PowerTop and Nmon. Then I will discuss the features of the tools, and then description of each feature. I will define it individually, and then I will define the use of tools for system administration and comparison of tools, and then in the last I will conclude all my assignment. So let's go for the Linux. So let me enter the password. So that's the terminal for the Linux Ubuntu. Then we will write the sudo apt-get install. PowerTop. That's what we are going to discuss in this part. So, and this we have used for installing the tools, and in the Linux, first of all, let me define you how to use the Linux. As you can see from the output above, there are different display screens available, and to switch between them you can use tab and switch tab keys, and then to exit the PowerTop we will press the escape key and list it at the button at the top of the screen. So let's discuss the PowerTop first. So what actually the PowerTop is: it displays the screen, allows you to visit a list of system components and that are either on the sending wake-ups and to the CPU and frequently are using for the most power of the systems. So here we will discuss the overview. As you can see, the overview is all the systems, at how much system has capability to install the data, and that's by pressing the tab we'll put on the idle state, and that's the idle state. It displays the various information about the processor and C states. Then next, by pressing the tab, we'll go for the frequency states, and the frequency state, the display screens the frequency of the wake-ups of the CPU, and then we'll go for the device state screens, and here you can see it provides the information similar to the overview display screen but only for the devices. And then next we'll go for the terminal screens. Terminal screens provide a suggestion for optimizing your system for good power consumption. And now we're going to quit the tool by pressing Q. And now we are going to start downloading another tool, which is Nmon. So we are going to type the same as sudo apt-get install, and the tool which we are going to use, which is Nmon. So by pressing the Nmon, it will show this screen which defines you're looking for. If you want to use very easy performance monitoring tool for Linux, I would highly recommend you to install and use the Nmon command line utility. And in the Nmon system administrator tuner benchmark tool that can be used to display performance data about the following. In this we can discuss the following keys, which include C which defines the CPU space and all the contents of the CPU. Then there's different memory, disk, resource, and many others. So we are going to discuss any two of them, and by pressing the C we can get all the information about the CPU. So here you can see it shows that how much the user is available, how much data is on waiting, and system how much system is available in the system as well, and how much the user is using at the moment. And next we'll start with the network by pressing the N. And if you want to go for the network, you can just press N on your keyboard, and it's going to define the network statistics. And here you can see that's the packet in, packet out, and that's defined the sizes. If you will go for the packet in, it will show the in size, and if you go for the packet out, it will show you the outside of the packets. And this was all about the Linux that I discussed with you guys, and hope you understand better. Thank you.